Hello and welcome back to Airraid TV. Now in the muscle car world, everybody's talking about the new 2015 Mustang. And most people are talking about the GT, but honestly, the Ecoboost engine has just as much performance potential. Let's face it, this little turbocharged four-cylinder makes over 300 horsepower right out of the box, according to Ford. But we're going to see if we can improve on those results by a complete cold air intake system that replaces everything from the turbo out. Let's take a look. Now, Airraid's new MXP series cold air intake for the new Mustang includes everything that you see here. Now, the system starts with a complete replacement roto-molded intake box. Now, this pulls air from the factory inlet duct, while the inside is designed to optimize airflow all the way around the filter. Now, it includes a built-in velocity stack as well as this aluminum cover plate, which is pretty cool, and it has a couple plexiglass windows in it so that you can keep tabs on the filter. Now, connecting the box to the engine is a complete replacement intake tube. Now, it too has provisions for all the sensors and fittings and everything you're going to need, including the IAT right here, but you'll notice this is actually oversized, so it'll support future engine modifications such as a larger turbo while still optimizing airflow to the engine. And last but certainly not least, the heart of the system, of course, is the filter itself. Now, it's available in traditional oiled media in red or Synthemax dry material in red, blue, or black. Now, this system is an entire bolt-in installation. There's no drilling or trimming or anything like that. Let's check out the highlights now. Okay, now when you're tightening up this lid, be careful. You just need to snug it. Don't over tighten it. Now, once you're done with the installation, you want to double check your work. Double check all your fittings and connections, make sure everything's nice and snug. Last step is to reconnect the battery, and then we get to see how this thing sounds. Well, this thing may sound a bit different to the traditional Mustang, but believe me, it has plenty of power on tap, especially with the cold air intake system. Now, it's good throughout the RPM range, but once those turbos kick in, that's when you really feel the difference. Well, thanks for checking out all the details on the new Airraid MXP system for the Ecoboost Mustang, and we'll see you next time on Airraid TV.